Hairdresser Cuties Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ello from CoComelon. So let's get started. To draw this cute elephant, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big curve going over. Go nice and high and then bring it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and just connect it with a soft curve. Then we're going to go across nice and wide because we need to put a trunk in between the eyes. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the same thing. So go up nice and high with this curve and down and connect. So now that we have these two shapes in, let's come back inside and we're going to draw a circle. So I'm just going to have my circle touch the bottom and around. And then we're going to, let's see here, come over here on this corner. I'm going to draw another circle for a highlight. And then I'm going to draw another circle inside. And then shade this all in. So then this part right here is where you can color the color of Ello's eyes. So we're going to do the same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, let's go ahead above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve and same thing here. And then in between the eyes, let's go ahead and draw the trunk. So I'm going to start about right here and we're just going to draw a curve really close to the eyes. Draw a curve going up and come right back down. And then we're going to bring this around and just come in a little bit. So same thing here. Just come in. And then before I finish that, I know I kind of want my smile about right here. So I'm going to go ahead right underneath the eye, about right here. Give myself a point and same thing over here, right in the center of that eye. And I'm just going to draw a curve to create a smile. Big smile, and just imagine it being overlapped. It's going to come through about right here and up, and I'm just going to cap it off and cap it off. There. Then before I finish the rest of the trunk, let's go ahead and draw the face first. So I'm going to come to the bottom of the eye right on this corner. I'm going to come out just a little bit. Give myself a little guide. Same thing here. And with those 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve coming out for the cheek area. About there. And then let's go ahead and go up. So from this point, we're just going to kind of go up a little bit, curve in a little bit, and go ahead and slant in. So same thing here. Just kind of tuck in. And we're going to start to slant in and then go up to about right there and bring it in. And right back to the other side. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to go ahead and fix my line. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and finish the face. So I'm going to bring this curve in to about right there. And so now that I know my face is going to come to about right here, let's just bring this trunk down a little bit more. So we're going to get thinner as we come down. And let's go ahead and finish the head. About right there. And connect. There, so we have Ello's head in, and we're going to come back right here and just going to thicken this part up, the top, just to anchor the eyes a little bit better. Same thing here, just the top curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So I'm going to come about right, let's say about right here, and it will end about here. Nice big ears. I'm going to go ahead and go around. It's almost like drawing butterfly wings. So I'm going to go nice and big curve, and then maybe about right here. Just kind of wobble a little bit and bring it down. Just come in to a smaller part of the ear and connect. And then I'm just going to come in here and follow whatever I drew for some details. There. Okay, so we want the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across, just so that we're approximately in the same area for the other ear. And so let's go ahead and we're just going to come out. Nice big curve just like the other side. And so just take a look. So approximate. And so I'm going to drag this point across just so it makes it a little bit easier for me to see. And I'll just give myself a little point right here. So I know this is kind of where I go in and then come right back out. And I'm going to end right here. And connect. There. So it won't be exactly the same. We just want it approximately the same size and in approximately the same area. And once again, just going to go all the way around. And then I believe on the ears there's these little markings, but I don't want to muddle with a Sharpie because I think it's like maybe like an orangey pink color. So we'll do that when we color. But that is pretty much it for the head. So let's go ahead and draw the body. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's finish the trunk. So now that we know this is the head part, so we're going to bring this down. And we're just going to get thinner. And let's say about right here. Just go ahead and round it off to finish it off. There. And then come back about right here. And create a curve. And then 2 little nostrils. So 2 little ovals. There. And then now for the body, I'm going to go right underneath this eye, the center of my eye, and come down with a point. So same thing here, about right here. And we're going to just skip a little bit of space and come out with an angle on both sides. And then from there, let's go ahead and bring this down. We're going to round it off for this elephant body. And bring it in a little bit. And then we're just kind of imagining a curve to finish the body, but we're just going to skip a space. And right in the center area, right underneath the trunk, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve. And just imagine it going over. Then from there, we know this is the center. I'm going to come to the left a little bit, go to the right a little bit. And we can go ahead and draw the feet. So I'm going to come down, soft curve, and then we're going to bring this in a little bit, and then about right there, round this corner off and connect. So same thing on this other side. So bring it in a little bit and then straighten it out, round and connect. There. And then we can come right here and draw some elephant nails. So we're just going to put in 3 to simplify it. 2 and 3. And then for the arms, we're going to come right here, round off a shoulder, And let's say about right here. Nice thick arms as well. We're going to come down to about this tummy area. Go thumb, go around for some fingers. And we're going to go all the way back up to connect. There. And come right here for some elephant nails. And same thing on this side. So right about here, just like the other side. And just like the other side, we're going to start about right there. And I'm going to drag this across. So approximate, give myself a point. Where my thumb's going to end. And then we're going to go up and then around. And just connect everything. There. And once again, the nails on both sides. And the last thing we need to draw for the elephant here is to come about in this area on both sides. And we're going to draw this ovalish egg shape for the chest area, chest and tummy area. So we're going to go around. So about right there, leaving the same amount of space on both sides, and then we're going to go around right above the center area at the bottom and connect. There. All done. And the last thing, of course, I will add, let's see, where should I add it? Oh, okay, let's just add it right here. Add a heart to make this my Draw So Cute Ello from CoComelon. I really hope you'll love how this cute elephant turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.